So you want fluffy, delicious tasting rice. Here's what the other rice recipes aren't telling you. Hi, I'm Bora, and this is my dad, Ertan.
Hello.
In 1975, he opened the first Turkish restaurant in Australia. In 1991, he opened the first Turkish restaurant in Queensland. People loved his rice. He cooked over 20 cups of rice a day, at least 5 times a week, every year for 40 years. Hey Dad, want to cook some rice?
No.
Luckily, he taught me the secrets to cooking great rice. Number 1, wash the rice. Take some medium grain rice and put the amount you plan to cook in a strainer. Wash the rice under hot water, then let it sit in that water for a few minutes. This removes some of the starch, which stops the rice from being sticky. Number 2, add vermicelli. Get your hands on some vermicelli or some orzo, which is also called risoni. This will add some color and texture to your rice. Sautee a handful of it in your choice of oil. Butter is the tastiest, olive oil is the healthiest. When it starts to turn golden brown, strain the rice before adding it to the saucepan. Add salt to taste and stir. Number 3, sautee the rice. Stir the rice regularly at a medium heat. Keep sauteing until much of the rice turns golden and starts to look slightly crunchy. The more you cook it in this phase, the less the rice will stick together. Number 4, 1 to 1.5, rice to hot water. For every cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of hot water. Hot tap water is fine, but boiling water out of the kettle is best. Give the rice a stir and put on the lid. Bring the water to a boil if it isn't already, then reduce the heat over time to a simmer. Number 5, stir again. When you see small dimples appear on the top layer of the rice, stir the rice through. We don't want the rice on top to get dry. Then put the lid back on quickly to keep the steam in. Number 6, tea towel. A few minutes after stirring, turn the heat down to very low. Put a tea towel under the lid and cook for a few more minutes. The tea towel will stop drops of water dripping back down onto the rice. You'll know the rice is cooked when it absorbs all the water. And that's it. I hope you've picked up a few tips to make your rice tastier. Let me know in the comments. This video is dedicated to all the people who ask us for our rice recipe. A big thanks to Mum and Dad for helping me record today. And better late than never, right, Mrs. G?